झेडपी वेंचणुकेत 50 जाग्यांनी 1-1 लढत जावनी. 25 वयर सीट्स घेतले ना जाल्यार आपूण राजकारण सोडटा. गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या विजय सरदेसायान भाजपाक आव्हान दिलां. आपणे भाजपाक सेगीत 3 खेपे आव्हान दिलां आनी वेंचूनय आयला. आपल्या विरोधात लढपी आतां भाजपाचो अध्यक्षूय जाला. डिफेक्शनाचेर उलोवप्यांक विजयान सबुरीचो सल्लो दिला.
प्रशांत नायक हो गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि आरजीपी जल्माक येवचे आदी सावन गोंयच्या प्रश्नांचेर काम करत आयिल्लो रेव्होल्युशनरी. पैंगीणची गोवा फॉरवर्डाची झेडपी तिकेट प्रशांताक दिल्या. तेका जिखून येवपाक मजत करपाक इजिदोर फर्नांडिसाक पक्षात घेतला. आमी डिफेक्टरांक प्रवेश दिवंक ना. विजय सरदेसायान ह्याच उतरांनी डिफेक्टर प्रवेशाच्या वादाक जाप दिली.
that we wanted to adopt. There are 50 seats per Zilla. I am a regional party. I don't have the resources to fight 50. And I believe nobody has the resources or the wherewithal, means candidates, to fight 50 seats on their own, other than the BJP. Now the common intention of the opposition should be to defeat the BJP. And which is why we tried to come together. Now our coming together has been on public occasions. It has not fructified as an alliance. That alliance has even been given a name by the leader of the opposition in a press interview, wherein he says that it should be called the Grand Opposition Alliance, called Goa. Now, these are all been in public this, but nothing has happened on the ground. On the ground means I don't know. At least I have not been involved in discussions on seats. Because the Congress is awaiting some decision from their high command or whatever. In the bargain, wherever we feel we are very strong and we are winnable, we have started the campaign on the ground. Because the whole idea is to win the election. Understand this very clearly. We want to win the election. We have put our best foot forward. One among this is a candidate like Prashant Naik. Prashant Naik is the original revolutionary that Goans have seen. You may be aware that when we were kids, the Progressive Students Union, which came with the 50% concession strike, subsequently labor movement. So he is a sort of an original revolutionary who is in public life and needs to be given a position. Our party has made him the general secretary of the party. He is the founder member of our party. And we decided to field him in Poingini. Now in Poingini there was a feeling that particular block votes go with particular leaders. In the absence of those block votes coming to us, it would be difficult to defeat the candidate of the BJP who is fielded by a sitting minister, recently made sitting minister in the cabinet. In keeping with this and after due consultation with everyone, we admitted Isidore Fernandez into the party. There has been a lot of hue and cry after his admission that defectors are getting a platform. I have seen very clearly the press conference of RGP. The entire press conference, I have seen it minutely. They are making reference to a platform. See, first of all, I want to clarify that the candidate concerned is Prashant Naik. Isidore Fernandez has been taken into the party to ensure the victory of Prashant Naik, who is not a defector, who is originally the founder member of my party. He is also a man who has been in public life much before the RGP or the Goa Forward Party came into existence. So it is not a nobody. It is surely a somebody and who deserves to be there.
डिफेक्टरांक तिकेटी दिल्यो जाल्यार युती धर्माक वेर वचूं येता अशी शिटकावणी कालच मनोज परबान दिल्ली. तेचेर जाप दितना विजयान सांगलें, डिफेक्शनाचेर उलोवपाचो अधिकार आरजीपीक आसा. गोवा फॉरवर्ड हो पक्षय डिफेक्शनाच्या विरोधातच आसा. रणनीत म्हण कांय गजाली मिडिया कडेन उलोवपाचें टाळपाक जाय. सगळ्यांनी मेळून भाजपाक सत्ता भायरी करपाक कांय मुद्द्यांचेर एकठांय येवचेच पडटलें. विजयान सबुरीचो सल्लो दिला.
I've just read a letter from Miki Pacheco who says that we should merge. He also has a right to his view, to his opinion. So all these things, if they come when the alliance is formed, in those discussions, we will clarify our position. One thing we should understand, there should be civility in discourse. We cannot be doing tu meh on the press. Press conferences were never held when we were holding discussions with the RGP secretly, did we have press conferences? No. You saw directly our hands being raised for the Shri Krishna Vijayotsav on the Diwali Eve. So everywhere going to the press, making a big hue and cry over it, only gives BJP some consolation that the opposition is disunited and that they have a chance because of this disunity. I challenge the BJP that have an election 1:1 in all the 50 seats. And if we don't get more than 25 seats, I will leave politics. They ensure that it is never 1:1. It is in their interest to divide the opposition. And those who are dividing by falling prey to whatever, stated theoretical positions, basically are playing in such a way, unconsciously, which benefits the BJP.
But
Should not happen.